capability is, or which...
The sophistication of RQ-21 Blackjack drone.
The biggest gain really, I think, is the
Boeing Insitu RQ-21 Blackjack, company name Integrator, is an American unmanned air vehicle designed and built by Boeing Insitu to meet a United States Navy requirement for a small tactical unmanned air system, STUAS. It is a twin-boom, single-engine monoplane, designed as a supplement to the Boeing Scan Eagle. The Integrator weighs 61 kilograms, 134 pounds, and uses the same launcher and recovery system as the Scan Eagle. The enemy will lost if this drone operates for reconnaissance missions. U.S. Marines assigned to Marine Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Squadron 3, Marine Aircraft Group 24, 1st Marine Aircraft Wing, launch and retrieve an RQ-21 Blackjack, during Weapons and Tactics Instructor, WTI, Course 1-22 at Cannon Air Defense Complex, near Yuma, Ariz. September 16, 2021. WTI is a 7-week training event hosted by Marine Aviation Weapons and Tactics Squadron 1. Providing standardized advanced tactical training and certification of unit instructor qualifications to support Marine aviation training and readiness, and assist in developing and employing aviation weapons and tactics.
So it is a system by a single
Video highlighting Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Squadron 3, VMU-3, conducting the first flight of the RQ-21 Blackjack aboard Marine Corps Air Station, Kaneohe Bay, October 15, 2018. The Blackjack increases the capabilities of Marine Aircraft Group 24 and the Hawaii-based Marine Air Ground Task Force.
Covered in icicles in the morning just because of the frost. Yeah, so some of the procedures that we have taken to counteract the cold is we have some heat blankets out here that